Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to add up a photo to contact on your Samsung Galaxy A15. So in order to do that, open up your phone application. Now find your contact which you want to personalize. For example, I'll choose this one. Now tap edit at this screen bottom. Now press on the photo icon, press camera or gallery. So if you want to take an immediate picture, press camera. If you want to choose from the following, press gallery. So now simply choose a picture. For example, let it be this one. Adjust it, crop it, resize it. Press done when you are pleased with your picture. Now, after you set everything up, you can simply press save. And now your picture is on this contact. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.